How to log into your Credit One Bank credit card account online. So let's get started. So to log into your Credit One Bank credit card account online, you can just simply search in for Credit One Bank and just head over to the first link which appears over here. And if you're using it from the different location like me, it may not be available. So always make sure and verify that it's available in your region. So there should be a sign in or sign in button right at the top right of your navigation bar if you are using the online version, that is website for the Credit One Bank credit card account. And once you click on that, you just have to provide your registered username as well as your password. And if it asks you for the registered user code, you can also provide it and simply click on sign in. And if you ever forget your password or your username, or you can always go over to this link below provided over here to successfully reset them accordingly by following the on-screen instructions. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.